Google's Gboard is a very popular third-party keyboard for your phone, and in fact we've done a whole video talking about what makes it so great. However, what if you've gotten bored of it or found, say, a better alternative that suits your use case much better? Well, here's exactly how to remove Gboard from your phone and to replace it back with your regular keyboard. Now, if you don't want to uninstall it, rather just switch back to your default keyboard, doing so is pretty simple. Just go into your settings like this and then scroll all the way down until you see General Management. From there you want to go into that menu and then tap on Keyboard List and Default. From there, make sure that anything you don't need is disabled. So for example, Gboard right here. However, instead you can also have it replaced with something else, like say Microsoft SwiftKey. All you have to do then is just download it or pretty much any other of the many third-party keyboards from the Play Store, and then it's going to get enabled. But just make sure that Gboard is disabled first. But okay, what about if you want to just uninstall Gboard completely? Well, that's also fairly simple to do. First up, you just want to go into your Play Store, then search for Gboard right here. As you can see, there we go. And then just tap on Gboard from the list, and then tap on Uninstall. And it's going to begin the process after you confirm, like so. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to disable Gboard if you no longer need it or many of its features, which again we went into before. The default keyboards of Samsung, Apple, or whoever else made your phone, well, they're all pretty good as well and offer most of the things you need. However, if you just don't need Gboard anymore, well, here's exactly how to get rid of it or replace it with something else from another company. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.